1883, a year etched in the disastrous eruption of Krakatoa. The eruption's magnitude was unlike anything the world had ever witnessed. The explosion was heard thousands of miles away, and the resulting tsunamis ravaged thousands of lives. But the fury of the Indonesian volcano was just one chapter in a year of unprecedented global anomalies. The Krakatoa eruption was a prelude to a series of strange and inexplicable events. The year began with whispers of strange occurrences in the sky. People from different parts of the world started reporting unusual explanations. Captivating yet unsettling. The skies were painted with colors and patterns never seen before. Across the globe, the moon glowed with an eerie blue hue. This phenomenon, known as a blue moon, was not one. The sun, normally a source of life and warmth, appeared shrouded in an unnatural green tint. This green sun was a sight that perplexed laymen and scientists alike. These celestial oddities sparked both curiosity and fear. People were drawn to the heavens, hoping to catch a glimpse of these rare phenomena. Their instruments seemingly incapable of unraveling the secret. Unusual events were not confined to a single location. Reports of strange atmospheric phenomena poured in from all corners of the globe. Accounts flooded in from every corner of the globe, painting a picture of a world in atmospheric disarray. The global nature of these events suggested that something significant was happening. Canvas of the unknown, a spectacle that left humanity both awestruck and apprehensive. What was the cause of these strange occurrences? This question lingered in the minds of all. Were they merely atmospheric anomalies, or did they hint at something more profound, something beyond our comprehension? This question remained unanswered for years to come. August 27, 1883. The island of Krakatoa, nestled between Java and Sumatra, shattered. This day would be engraved in the annals of history as one of the most violent volcanic events ever recorded. The serene island, which had been a silent sentinel in the Sunda Strait, suddenly transformed into a cauldron of unimaginable power. The once dormant volcano roared back to life in a cataclysmic eruption. The sound, heard thousands of miles away, was deafening. It was said to be the loudest sound ever heard in recorded history, rupturing the eardrums of sailors more than 40 miles away and sending shockwaves that circled the globe multiple times. It was a sound that signaled not just a natural disaster, but a pivotal moment in our planet's history. People across continents were startled, unaware of the source of the booming roar. Newspapers around the world scrambled to report the mysterious explosion, while scientists began to piece together the magnitude of the event. The immediate aftermath was catastrophic. Tsunamis, some towering over 100 feet high, ravaged coastlines, engulfing entire islands and villages. These colossal waves traveled across the Indian Ocean, reaching as far as South Africa, wreaking havoc in their wake. The death toll reached into the tens of thousands. Entire communities were obliterated in an instant, leaving behind a trail of devastation and sorrow. Survivors recounted tales of horror and loss as they struggled to comprehend the scale of the disaster that had befallen them. The Krakatoa eruption was a stark reminder of the immense power that lay dormant within our planet. It served as a wake-up call to humanity, highlighting the fragile balance between Earth's surface and the fiery forces below. The eruption spewed massive amounts of volcanic ash and gas into the atmosphere. This ash cloud, laden with sulfur dioxide, spread across the globe, affecting weather patterns and temperatures for years to come. This massive plume, reaching unprecedented heights, began to encircle the globe. The fine ash particles and gas created a veil that filtered sunlight, leading to a phenomenon known as a volcanic winter. Temperatures dropped and weather patterns were disrupted, causing crop failures and food shortages in many regions. The sun, often obscured by a thick haze, took on an ominous red hue, casting long, eerie shadows across the land. This haunting sight became a daily reminder of the eruption's far-reaching impact as people around the world looked upon the altered sky with a mixture of awe and fear. The world watched, captivated and horrified, as the skies bore witness to the aftermath of Krakatoa's fury. Scientists, historians, and everyday citizens were drawn to the story of Krakatoa, seeking to understand the forces that had unleashed such devastation. The Krakatoa eruption remains a powerful testament to our planet's dynamic and often unpredictable nature, reminding us of the ever-present potential for both creation and destruction. In the wake of Krakatoa's devastation, scientists grappled to explain the global atmospheric anomalies. The prevailing theory emerged: the volcanic dust veil. The massive amount of ejected material suspended in the atmosphere was scattering sunlight, causing the unusual optical effects. The scientific community, eager to provide a rational explanation, readily embraced this theory. It offered an organized, tangible explanation for the observed phenomena. The complex interplay of atmospheric forces, however, seemed to whisper a more intricate story. While the dust veil theory explained some of the immediate aftermath, it struggled to account for the prolonged duration and global reach of the atmospheric events. The blue moons, the green suns, the vivid sunsets, these persisted long after the dust should have settled. Could the Krakatoa eruption be the sole culprit, or were there other forces at play? Beyond the confines of mainstream science, alternative theories began to surface. These theories, often dismissed by the scientific elite, sought to explain the unexplainable. Some scientists proposed radical ideas, arguing that Earth's atmosphere was far too complex to be influenced by a single factor. They believed that multiple forces, both terrestrial and extraterrestrial, could be at play. Could Earth be influenced by forces beyond our atmosphere? These questions led them to explore the heavens with renewed vigor. These pioneers meticulously documented solar phenomena, believing that the sun's behavior might hold the key to understanding the strange events on Earth. Could solar flares be influencing our atmosphere? These solar events had the potential to disrupt the delicate balance of our planet's atmosphere. The sun dominated our planet, its energy fueling life. Its influence shaped weather and climate patterns. Could it be so implausible that it could also be responsible for these strange events? Others speculated about cometary debris or interstellar dust interacting with our planet's atmosphere. The cosmos was a vast and mysterious realm, harboring countless unknowns. The more we explored, the more we realized how little we understood. Could these celestial travelers hold the key to unraveling the mysteries of 1883? The search for answers led these scientists to look beyond Earth. Their work laid the groundwork for future generations of scientists who would continue to explore these alternative theories. Today, we recognize the importance of their contributions. The study of solar activity and interstellar dust has become vital to our understanding of the cosmos. As we continue to explore the universe, we are reminded of the importance of keeping an open mind. The cosmos still holds many secrets. The journey of discovery is never-ending, and the legacy of those who dared to think differently continues to inspire us. The alternative theories, though intriguing, faced an uphill battle. The scientific community, steeped in the principles of observation and experimentation, often dismissed these ideas as mere speculation. Where was the proof? Where were the measurements? This resistance, however, stemmed not just from a lack of evidence, but also from a deep-rooted reluctance to venture beyond the familiar. The idea that our planet, a seemingly independent system, could be influenced by external cosmic forces challenged the very foundation of our understanding of the universe. The scientific method, though a powerful tool for understanding the natural world, could sometimes become a barrier to exploring truly novel ideas. The pressure to conform, to adhere to established norms, could stifle creativity and discourage the pursuit of unconventional lines of inquiry. So the next time we look up at the sky and see something out of the ordinary, can we really trust the explanation we're given? Or should we open our minds to the fact that the unknown may be much bigger than we think? If you're ready to explore the unknown and question what we've been taught, subscribe to the Mysteries Unbound channel. Don't miss the next episode, where we'll uncover more mysteries that science prefers to ignore.